Hey guys, my country cousin. So my niece Kara came over today and she's been turkey hunting this morning, her and her husband Brian. She's tagged out, I guess they call it. You kill 2 turkeys, you're tagged out. Her and her husband are both tagged out. This is a turkey that she shot last weekend and she's brought the breast over. Show them how big it is, Kara. That's just the breast.
One breast.
Just one breast. And so Kara's going to show us how to cook it today, and yeah, we'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, Kara's got the turkey breast over here. Come on in, Case, take a pic of it. We pretty much cut it up against the grain as much as we could. This is the kind of pieces that she likes to use here, but she's wanting to show you something about this tendon here. And this isn't the breast. You gotta tell them, Kara.
You gotta go down that and get that piece out because it's really, really tough. And if you don't get it out, then it makes your meat no good.
Tell them about McDonald's.
Yeah, like if you get a piece of chicken or something that's got that real tough piece down the center, and then it's real tough there at the end, that's what that is in it. That right there.
Gotta get rid of it.
Gotta get rid of it. That's junk.
Okay.
There's you a piece.
Okay, so what Kara's done is she's cut it all up. We got all the turkey nuggets going. She's cut them against the grain as small as she can. And then we've put them in some milk and dipped them in milk. This is her scraps. That's what she cut off. That's the tendon and the excess that we didn't want to use. This is straight turkey breast killed last weekend. The meat is so tender, it's hard to even explain how fresh it is. Just look, it just pulls apart. So she's got a flour mixture here, and she's got some seasonings here that she likes to use. You can use whatever you want, obviously. And that's just flour. And then we've got some batter going over here, some grease going over here. And she's turning them over as we go. And then this is what the finished product. These are turkey nuggets, wild turkey nuggets. And this is what we're going to end up with. Okay guys, everything's done. We're going to go ahead and make Mommy the plate first. Mommy always gets fed first. We're going to give her some turkey nuggets. She's going to have some refried beans from some soup beans we had left over yesterday. We made macaroni and cheese because the kids are here. But we're all done. Here's our turkey nuggets. You can use honey mustard. You can use ranch. You can do it any way you want to. Compliments of me and Kara. Thanks. Okay, everybody. Dinner's done. Kara, how are they?
Awesome.
Awesome. Casey, Nick, Angie.
I'll never eat again.
I'll never eat again. Ange.
The bomb.
The bomb. Nikki. Perfect.
I'm getting full.
That's alright. You got your safety clicked off. Just let him come.